Veteran Karnataka leader Mallikarjun Kharge on Wednesday defeated his rival Shashi Tharoor to become the first non-Gandhi Congress president in 24 years and the first scheduled caste chief of the grand old organization in 4 decades. Kharge polled 7,897 of the 9,385 votes cast, while Tharoor garnered a meager 1,072. Sources said 416 votes were invalid. Chairman of the Congress Election Authority, Madhusudan Mistry, officially announced Kharge elected with the victory of the 80-year-old party warhorse, a former 9-term state MLA and a 3-term MP, being celebrated with festive fervor amid the beating of drums at AICC headquarters. Humbled by the loss, Tharoor conceded defeat and pledged to work with the new president to take the party forward. In Andhra Pradesh today, former Congress chief Rahul Gandhi said his future role would be decided by the Congress chief, who is the supreme authority in the party. Kharge, who always tipped to win, with the election tilted in his favor from day one, as evidenced in the list of proposers that included all Gandhi family loyalists, even though party chief Sonia Gandhi made it clear that there was no official candidate. Tharoor acknowledged defeat today, moments after his poll agent Salman Soos threatened suitable action if Mistry did not agree to the team's demand of declaring all votes polled in Uttar Pradesh invalid amid allegations of voter fraud. As the results poured in, Team Tharoor retreated and reconciled to defeat promising cooperation to Kharge. The importance of Kharge's election is multifold. He is the first non-Gandhi to head the Congress in 24 years, after Sitharaman Kesri was unceremoniously ousted in 1988 through a Congress Working Committee resolution that invited Sonia Gandhi to become the party chief. Sonia had become a primary member of the Congress only a year ago at the AICC Kolkata plenary in 1997. Kharge's evaluation is strategic. He is a tall SC leader, a man who rose from humble beginnings and entered politics in 1972. Also, he is known in party circles to be a Gandhi yes man and is not expected to rock the boat for the first family, having already said that he would seek the counsel of Gandhis and there was no shaming in doing so. Kharge is also the only Congress chief who has been leader of opposition in a state assembly, leader of the party in Lok Sabha, and who is now the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha. The veteran, however, resigned as Rajya Sabha leader of opposition after filing his papers for the party president's election in defense to the Congress one person, one post rule formalized at the Udaipur Chitan Shivir in May. This was the first election for the post of Congress president in 22 years and only the fifth major contest in the party's 137 years history. In 2000, Sonia Gandhi had trounced Jitendra Prasad, garnering 7,448 votes against Prasad's 96.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.